We're on 7-176. Graph each of the following on the 3D isometric grid provided. So we're going to start by labeling our sides X, Y, and Z. So we'll label these axes for you. And if we're going -2 on the x-axis, that's going in this direction, -2. And so we're going to go up 2 and then 1 over 1. So we're really going up 2 and over 1. So this is your -2, this direction. This is your 1, this direction on the y. And then you're going up 0 along the z. So this is the point that corresponds right there. So that is the point, because we're just graphing a point here on the x, y, z coordinate plane. And then this one, same, we're going to label x, y, and z, but we have to, because we're graphing a plane here, we have to find our x-intercept, our y-intercept, and our z-intercept. So to find our x-intercept, we're going to let y equals 0 and z equals 0. So we get 30 equals 5 times x plus, well, 6 times 0 is 0, and 15 times 0 is 0, so we're going to get 30 equals 5x. So therefore that means x equals 6. So our x coordinate is going to be 6, 0, 0. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the x axes, and that's where we're at here. Then over to find the y-intercept, we're going to let x be 0 and z equals 0. So let's switch that to a different color. So we're going to get 30 equals 5 times 0 is 0. And we're letting z equals 0 as well, so 15 times z is 0. So we end up with 6y equals 30. So y is going to equal 5. So this on this axis, the y-axis, we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's here. And then on our z-axis, let's do that in green, we're going to let x be 0 and y equals 0. So when we let x equals 0 and y equals 0, we get 15z equals 30, and then we divide by 15, and we end up getting z equals 2. So this coordinate here is up 2, because that coordinate's 0, 0, 2. So this is our x, y, and z coordinates, and then we're going to draw our plane and kind of sketch that in. So that's what this graph looks like in the XYZ plane.